वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सेल बायोलॉजी का एक और टॉपिक लेके आए हैं यहाँ पर। इसका नाम है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। पहले हम वर्ड मीनिंग पे ही ध्यान देंगे कि क्या है ये वर्ड, इसकी क्या मीनिंग है। यू वेरी मच नो दैट द रीजन फ्रॉम द सेल मेम्ब्रेन and up to the nuclear membrane is called cytoplasm, and that part of the cytoplasm which is towards the cell membrane will be called as exoplasm, and that region of the cytoplasm which is towards the nucleus, it will be called endoplasm. So endoplasm is the interior part of the cytoplasm, that part of the cytoplasm which is towards the nucleus. And when we talk about the nucleus, I told you that outer nuclear membrane is often continuous with endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasm means that which is found mostly in the endoplasmic region of the cytoplasm. Reticulum means network. It is the network of structures. What structures? Endoplasmic reticulum has three distinct types of structures. One is known as cisternae, another is known as tubule, and third is vesicle. Cisternae are sheet-like, sac-like structures which may have 40 to 50 nanometers size. Tubules are definitely cylindrical structures, and vesicles are spherical structures. सिस्टरने का साइज है 40 to 50, ट्यूब्यूल्स का साइज है 50 to 100, एंड वेसिकल्स का डायमीटर है 25 to 500 मिलीमीटर्स। ये रेटिकुलम किसी भी सूरत में हो, चाहे सिस्टरने की सूरत में हो, ट्यूब्यूल्स की सूरत में हो या वेसिकल्स की सूरत में हो, it will definitely have the internal cavity. This internal cavity is referred as lumen. ये टर्म आप याद रख लीजिए, ये आपको बायोलॉजी में हर जगह मिलती रहेगी। Lumen is the cavity inside a cylindrical structure or any other structure, anything which has a cavity. For example, digestive system has a cavity inside, it's again referred as lumen. तो इसी तरीके से endoplasmic reticulum is the system of network of these structures in which tubules are most numerous. इन तीन स्ट्रक्चर्स में ट्यूब्यूल्स सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं, उसके बाद सिस्टरने होते हैं और वेसिकल्स। तो एक पॉइंट जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम के बारे में क्लियर है कि इट इज a network of membrane structures which has a lumen inside. तो ये network of membrane structures जो है, it is actually there are 4 components. It's a part of the system which is known as endomembrane system. Endoplasmic reticulum is a part of endomembrane system, and it is one foremost or most important component. What are these 4 components of endomembrane system? One is endoplasmic reticulum, which we are discussing today. Another is Golgi body. Third is lysosome. Fourth is vacuole. At least we can make clear how these endomembrane systems are interlinked with each other. They are interlinked with each other. What is the structural components of endoplasmic reticulum? That is structural components of Golgi body as well. Golgi body can be believed as the specialized endoplasmic reticulum. The difference between endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body is that endoplasmic reticulum produces and transports the material up to the Golgi body, and Golgi body packs that material. This is the relation. And endoplasmic reticulum can itself produce the lysosomes, or lysosomes can be produced from the Golgi body. So there is some sort of link between these endomembrane system components.